Today, I will be dealing with a topic how to develop immunity in the child. In my practice, so many parents come and they complain that the child keeps on falling ill quite often. It is quite worrying because repeated illness hampers growth and development of the child. Instead of running to the doctor's clinic, once the child is ill, if we go to doctor before when our child is healthy, and we take the tips how to boost our child's immunity, we will be saved of unnecessary hassles, and the growth and development of child will be much better. So now, what are the steps we need to follow in order to improve immunity in the child? First and foremost important is the diet of the child. Exclusive breast feeding till the age of 6 months improves immunity of the child a lot, because that is the only way in which mother's immunity is passed to the child. Child should take sufficient intake of fruits and green leafy vegetables. That means half of the child's plate should be filled with fruits and green leafy vegetables. And fruits and green leafy vegetables need to be mainly seasonal. In a way, that means the plate of the child should be like a rainbow, because more the colors of the fruits and vegetables, more beneficial it is for the child. Incorporate sufficient amount of the protein in the diet of the child. Proteins are the building blocks and very important for the growth and development and immunity of the child. Now, what are the sources of the protein? Milk, eggs, lean meat and fish. And there are many other sources also, like dals for vegetarian. They are very good source of protein. Give the child sufficient healthy polyunsaturated fats like sunflower oils, groundnut oil and olive oil. Incorporate lot of nuts and seeds in the child, because it contains omega-3 fatty acids, which is very good for brain development and developing immunity in the child. Give lot of probiotics in the diet like yogurt, fermented food like idli, dosa, etc. Important whole grains like millets, because that is very good source of fiber, which is important for the developing immunity. All kinds of vitamins are important for developing immunity, but out of them I will pick up the most important ones. First is vitamin C, found in oranges and lemon and amla. Vitamin D, found in sunlight, dairy products and eggs. Zinc, found in nuts, seeds and whole grain. Probiotics, which is found in yogurt and fermented food, which is very good for healthy gut, and which in turn leads to very good immunity. If your child is falling ill quite often, you can talk to your doctor about supplementing these. Expose the child quite often to outdoors sunlight, because that gives vitamin D, which is very important for developing immunity. Sleep is also very important for developing immunity, because during sleep time the body repairs itself. So now, coming to how much sleep is important age wise for a child. 4 to 12 months, 12 to 16 hours of sleep including naps. 1 to 2 years, 11 to 14 hours of sleep including naps. Preschoolers, that means 3 to 5 years, 10 to 13 hours of the sleep including naps. School age children, 6 to 13 years of age, 9 to 12 hours of sleep. Teenagers, that means 14 to 17 years, 8 to 10 hours of sleep. In order to give better sleep to the child, always fix a routine of the child. At that time, take the child away from the distractions into a quiet room. Switch off the lights. You can keep a soft light open. You can read some bedtime stories. Some soft music can continue if the child likes it, or you can sing some soft songs to the child. For older children, make sure that the child switches off all the electronic gadgets 1 hour before going to sleep. Next is, child should always be hydrated. Good hydration is very important for immunity. It can be achieved by water. If the child is not very much interested in taking water all the time, you can give fruit juice, nariyal pani, some soups, etc. Stress free environment is very important for developing immunity. So you have to make sure that the home environment is generally stress free and you have quality time with your kids often. Child should have minimum of 1 hour of outdoor activity every day. If possible, child should develop healthy habits like yoga, pranayam and meditation. It is very important for the child to develop clean habits like keeping the nails clean and trimmed and using mask when there is any epidemic in the society or child is going to some crowded places. Child should have the habit of keeping a handkerchief on mouth while sneezing. Child should avoid eating at unhygienic places. Child should develop the habit of properly cleaning the teeth before going to bed and after getting up. Child should take bath daily and child should develop the habit of cleaning the hands with soap and water after using toilet or before eating anything. Some parents are very over enthusiastic and they develop unnatural hygienic practices like overuse of sanitizer or keeping the child away from normal children also while playing. This habit is not good and it hampers the natural development of immunity. Avoid unnecessary use of antibiotics. Antibiotics are very useful drugs only when it is used judiciously. Never purchase antibiotics over the counter. Always use it when prescribed by the doctor in correct doses and correct duration. Otherwise, it can weaken the immunity. Last but not least, children are always given an immunization schedule after discharge from hospital. So, you should timely and strictly follow it because immunization prevents some major communicable diseases. The principle of immunization is to inject dead or weakened bacteria into the body, which results into development of antibodies, but it doesn't cause disease. When the child is re-exposed to the same virus or bacteria, the antibody is already there in the body, so it protects the child against disease. Parents should always lead by example. Parents should themselves adopt healthy habits because children tend to imitate their parents. If the parent is not washing their hand before eating and they are asking the child to do so, child might not follow it at all. So, I have told you all the steps which can improve the immunity of the child. If you like the topic, kindly like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.